Our next stop along this coast is Port George. It's still low tide. This is Hampton Harbor. The dock is completely dry. We're at the site where the world famous tidal bore comes in. For reference sake, this is about 10 minutes later. So it's always something, and this time we couldn't open the back door anymore. It's locked and we can get the lock off, but then it doesn't open. There it goes. So we're back in the van. The back door is fixed, we hope. We can open it again. There is a little bit of damage back there, but they promised that they would order a new part in and then they will fix that tomorrow, and then we can go start traveling again. So the next project we want to undertake is we want to take out the microwave, because we have had this van for a year and a half now and we used it twice. Once to try it out and once to heat something up, and well, we don't really need it. So we want to take the microwave out and then put a door in front of it that we can use it as a normal cupboard. So you go ahead, my dear.
Well, I'm told that you have to release those two screws first. Actually, those are the only ones which I can find. Ah, there we go. Interesting. Okay.
If anybody wonders how it looks like behind the microwave, that's what you see. And it's an easy thing because this is basically loose. This is what the microwave was on, screwed on. And it feels as if it's not fastened up here, so we think there should be a screw in there.
So loosen that off a little. Do the same here.
So you're first going to take off the...
I'm just, you know, because if you get that off of there, I don't have to worry about it. Just a regular number 2. Can draw that out. Okay. Now we're going to
So it's not hooked on the ceiling at all.
It's actually wedged up against the side of this.
So with a heavy microwave, it's no wonder that at one point it comes kind of...
Yeah, it starts drawing down, but it's the metal underneath here, which is resting on that there. That there was
yes.
sat on top of that.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
So we're getting towards being past it. So what they've done, that's the shape of it. And
yeah.
that's been leaning against there and sitting on top of here.
That's all basically.
That's it. So it comes off.
So it's sitting on this basically,
Yep.
and behind.
And in behind there, leaning against that.
So it's not hooked on the ceiling at all.
No, it's not at all. But this here is one of those fastenings, and I kind of think that you can put. They have like plug type things that you go into there. That would normally attach up there.
Yeah. So you're gonna put masking tape on there now?
Yep. There.
So now that masking tape, you can use it as a reference to measure, to see where you can maybe put a bolt in it.
See whether that is there. You'll see. There's actually, they've just nailed through there, but they didn't put any glue in between the joint.
So that's why the joint is,
Yeah,
you could see it moving.
flippy floppy.
Yeah, so we're gonna fix that. That's the
I
first
got a couple
thing.
of staples to do the job, ply to ply. Get a clamp. Brought one. Okay, now we should be able to put that back up there. But I don't want them too long a screw.
You never know what's up there.
Well, I'm into the rib, but there's only so much distance between the rib.
Yeah.
So that's the
That's our
penny
washer
washer.
or mudguard washer. Yeah, take a call. Somewhere where we want to be. Looks good.